Good morning, my beautiful people. We're going to keep the affirmations high today, right? Choose peace over worry, love over fear, and remember, your potential is limitless. Have a great day, guys. Choose love, choose joy. Spread that positivity. Bye. Good morning, my beautiful people. Johnny, we are alive. Almost at day 100. Today will be a very glorious and fun day. My wifey's gone on vacation, and it's just gonna be me and sweet girl Bea. I'm gonna take her to the park. We're gonna watch Easy's game, baseball game. But right now, I'm gonna get some work in. I'm gonna do some open mat BJJ with my good friends. So I'll be right back. Okay, I got absolutely destroyed. Check out the wild hair. Woo! Okay, off to a great start, I guess. Okay. Doing some stretches with my baby girl. All right, recentered. It's important to take some time out and do some breathing exercises. So I do this when I'm stretching. Almost put myself to sleep. I'm so tired. Give these guys some water. Can't forget these little dudes. Gotta take care of our money. This is my favorite gi that I wore this morning. Pretty sick. Ooh, bones. Broken. All right, here's my little breakfast. Got a little pork chop, some eggs. I eat everything plain, but I need my hot sauce. You want some too, girl? This is for you, though. All right, that meal was yummy. Okay, we're going to clean the house first, work out, and then we take Bea out. Or, I think I'm gonna clean first, and then we go out, and then we come back. Because I wanna come back to a clean house, and then I'll work out after. How about that? Wash these dishes, and then we can go, Bea. You ready to go? You ready to go? Have fun? Stop. Sit. 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 You ready? Are you ready? Got the front seat today, huh, baby? First stop, we're going to get some coffee for me and a little pup cup with a treat for Bea. Let me free, baby girl. Look at that long line. Dutch Bros. I'll still get it for you. Look what we got here. Here, you want to eat it right there? Here. Why are you so shy? Huh? Here. There you go. All yours. All yours. Yeah, you like that, huh? You like that. Okay. I got an extra drink. That's nice of him. Oh, Bea. Check out the Gaylord Pacific. Do you want to go over there? Bam! It's supposed to be the biggest resort. Chilling over here. Let's find this park. What do we see there? What do you see, Bea? Ooh, there's a little water park behind that fence. That's kind of cool. Let's see the backside. Anything cool over here? Woo! All right, trying to find the park, but she found somewhere to go. Looks pretty nice, babe. Potty time? Yeah, right in front of the Gaylord. Oh, want to check out more of the hotel? Or let's go over here. All right, we're on the little trail. Let's check out this little Sweetwater park. About to get run over, girl. Come on. Over here. Come on this side. Check out these little habitats. Some of these little plants. Boom. How nice. I see these little tidy tips. Or they're the sun caps. Sun caps are right there. All right there. Crossing this nice little bridge. Cool. I don't know if you can see downtown right there. Or Coronado Bridge, my bad. Look, look, look. Trail map for the Sweetwater Park. Okay, so we're just gonna loop around. We're just gonna go that way and then come back around. What is that? That's a pretty, looks like a wishbone. Check it out when we get to the other side. Okay, fork in the road, but we're gonna go right. Gee. These are newly planted plants. Pretty smooth. It's gonna be really nice here, guys. Pretty cool trail so far. Let's go over there. Okay. Help us save the bees, butterflies, and birds. Pollinator habitat growing here. Okay, did you hear that, Bea? Oh, you want to play in the sand? This little beach vibe right here. Here's the park. So there's a trail. We parked all the way over there. And then there's like all this new habitat they're planting. And then there's the park right there. Pretty cool. She likes it so far. Cool. Coming through. Say hello. Say hello, Bea. Pretty cool. A lot of room for all the kids to play. Got some tables here. And then we're gonna head that way around the other track. These are nice little picnic tables. Bring the fam here. Got some shade right there. There's a little hotel resort action. Boatyard over there. Let's see. Coronado's over there, I believe. Or over there. The bridge over there. Okay. You can't go over here because I here, a little rattlesnake. Let's get out of here. These are nice. Going back on the trail. Take us home, Bea. Take us home, sweet girl. Hey, let's get some water. There goes the wishbone. Let's check it out. Check out the wishbone, Bea. Okay, a little bit about the artist, the riggers of flight. So it's the bird structure, the furcula. Come here, come here. Here, Bea, come here. See, baby. Okay. That was pretty fun. So I think we're gonna head to work real quick. I gotta drop off some product, but I want to take Bea boardwalk. She's down. She seems okay, but she could be tired. These walks are like super peaceful. If you ever have a chance, treat yourself for a nice little walk with nature. Definitely helps you with stress levels. Cools you down a little bit. Gets you in motion. Yeah, so I try to get my steps in, but today was fun. Just me and my dog. Wasn't too hot, so which is great. Which is kind of what I like. Focusing on my breathing. Getting in tune with my body. Touching the ground. Getting a good rhythm. Inhaling, exhaling. Listening to all the sounds. The birds singing. The children playing. Yeah, it's a great day. It's a great day so far, guys. This was a very nice park. I know it's new. For a while, it was just all like construction, so you couldn't really even see any of this. And then they took off the drapes, and it's nice. Look at that little, what do you call that? A tributary? Ooh, pretty cool. Oh, I see a little trail right there, but I'm not about to go there. It's cool to see some wildlife, some birds. Hope everyone enjoys this nature right here. What is that? Like a sound microphone? A lot of new cool plants. Can't wait to see how this looks in about 5 years, where everything is just nice and grown. So I definitely recommend if you come down to Chula Vista, come by the marina, maybe stay at the Gaylord Pacific, biggest resort in the US supposedly, and then come check out the Sweetwater Park. You can have a little picnic, have the kids play, get some steps in, be one with nature. There it is. We'll be visiting soon. There goes a little park sign. All right, guys, thanks for following along. Hope you enjoyed that. We're still gonna go and do some cool stuff. I think I want to get her a toy after the boardwalk, and then let's get some in and out puppy patties. Yeah. Bea, you smell that? Look what I got you. I got mine. You got yours? Here. Yeah, you go, girl. Okay, time for a little walk. Careful, Bea. Careful. Get on this side. check out this house, Bea. It's cool.
Hey, this shit rents for $350 a night.
That thing?
Yeah,
Oh,
$350 a night.
oh, sick. Wanna go that way? Looking for a toy? What kind of toy you want, huh?
La teoría de la tierra plana.
Ooh. Any little toys for you? How about over there? Want a little toy? That's what I'm talking about. You want to check out some waves? Woo! Let's go, man. Come here. Go, 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 go. Chasing flies? Chasing crabs? You want to touch the water? You want to touch the water? You want to touch the water? Go touch the water. Go touch the water. Come here. Touch the water, Bea. You got spike ball right there. The homies. Go get that bird. Look at that bird. Look at the bird. Whoa. Here it comes. Apparently we're not allowed to be on the beach at this time. Humans only. So, got escorted out. All right, baby girl. Now let's give you a little massage. Huh. Let's clean you up, baby girl. There she goes. There she goes. You clean? You clean? Are you clean? Are you clean? Zoomy, 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 zoomy. Who had a great day? Bea had a great day. Who had a great day? Who had a great day? One more time. My little Bea. All right, guys, a little dark here. Finally home. Hope you enjoyed the ride. Like and subscribe. Thanks for being part of our day. Love y'all.